Exciting news from Tesla. In their Q1 update, it's revealed they've held onto their Bitcoin stash, with no buying or selling activity reported. With the recent surge in the Bitcoin values and the looming effects of the halving, Tesla hints at plans to bolster their Bitcoin holdings soon. Stay tuned for the more updates. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. And we're here starting off with breaking news is Hong Kong Bitcoin ETFs to launch on April 30th, Hashkey Capital 1 week to go. Also, Tesla did not sell any Bitcoin in Q1 2024. Tesla owns $643 million of Bitcoin, the second largest Bitcoin corporate treasury after the MicroStrategy. By a lot of Bitcoin liquidity piling up above us, as we could see there around the 67. Not even like, maybe 67,500 around that position before the 68,000, a huge pile of around $1 billion or so, and there's also more at the $72,700. Also, bridging Bitcoin to DeFi has often faced hurdles, but Core Chain is introducing an innovative solution, Core Bitcoin, a wrapped Bitcoin asset that maintains strong security and decentralization. Let's get into how it will transform Bitcoin's utility as a DeFi layer. Wrapping assets, particularly Bitcoin, usually means locking the original asset on its blockchain and creating a synthetic version of another, as Core BTC extends this concept and maintaining Bitcoin's value equivalency with a one-to-one backing and redeemability. Centralization issues have plagued previous implementations of wrapped Bitcoin, compromising trustlessness. Core Chain's Core Bitcoin, however, leverages trustless smart contracts for minting and redeeming, mirroring the security and decentralization of Bitcoin itself. Key to Core Chain's architecture are lockers, nodes holding Bitcoin securely on the blockchain. Users can lock up collateral to register as lockers, contributing to Core Bitcoin's robust ecosystem and earning fees for their services. Minting Core Bitcoin is seamless. Users lock Bitcoin with a registered locker, initiating a process verified by porters and a smart contract on Core Chain. This method offers a streamlined bridge between Bitcoin and Core Chain without extra hassle. Redeeming Core Bitcoin for Bitcoin only requires burning the Core Bitcoin and having the equivalent Bitcoin released by the locker. It's a secure cycle that ensures Core Bitcoin supply direct response to locked Bitcoin, underwriting the integrity of the wrapped asset. Liquidators and guardians play a crucial role, overseeing locker operation to maintain compliance and the overall health of the system. They monitor collateral ratios and can trigger liquidation or slashing if lockers fail to meet this obligation. The introduction of a Core Bitcoin by Core Chain could revolutionize how Bitcoin interacts with the broader DeFi ecosystem, providing a secure decentralized bridge while expanding Bitcoin's use cases without compromising its foundational principles. As we watch Core Bitcoin's evolution, its potential to unlock nearly $1 trillion worth of Bitcoin for DeFi will become increasingly clear. Core Chain's innovative approach could set a new standard for wrapped assets in a blockchain space. So let's go for more. Bitcoin Better full power law model with next pick and a bottom. As here we could see that we're looking into November 2021. The lowest price position is 4,760, then 69,000 is the highest position. Then we're going for November 2025 position, the lowest one 6,200, and 218,000 the highest position right there. Then we're going for 2029, 7,682 lowest, 551,000 is the highest. As well as you could see there's more December 2030, November 2033, and December 2034. So basically this how it might look in the future. Bitcoin transactions fees are still higher than the peak in 2024, but already dropped the 50% from its highs. What are your thoughts on ARK Invest 2030 prediction for the Bitcoin? Bearish case will be 258,500, base case is 682,000, and a bullish case is $1.5 million. Bitcoin consolidating, through which the altcoins start to fire up. I'm not expecting much anymore from Bitcoin. I think that we will see a strong altcoin period end of Q2, beginning Q3. Yesterday, the spot Bitcoin ETF saw a positive inflow of $31.6 million. The Bitcoin is sitting at weekly support as the weekly RSI has been reset and the price has plenty of room to run as we are going for that $90,000 price. Tesla hasn't sold any of its 9,720 Bitcoin in Q1 2024. Tesla reveals it did not buy or sell any of its Bitcoin in Q1 update. Before the earnings report was announced, Tesla was holding 9,720 Bitcoins. It has been revealed that Tesla, one of the leading automotive and clean energy companies owned by Elon Musk, has not sold any of its Bitcoin holdings according to their Q1 2024 report. The report shows no buying or selling activity in the first quarter of 2024. This is reportedly the 7th straight quarter of no sales for Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. The value of their Bitcoin has risen significantly during the past quarter, and this was largely due to the spot Bitcoin ETF approval that the crypto industry saw at the beginning of 2024. Also, it's expected that a Bitcoin stash of Tesla to climb in value even more now that a Bitcoin halving took place on April 20th. The company continues to hold its substantial Bitcoin investment even amidst the ongoing price surge for the digital asset. It has reportedly reduced its holdings in Q2 2022 after it liquidated 75% of Bitcoin. Tesla also reported a slide in revenue in Q1 2024 as the total revenue was $12.3 billion, which shows an important decrease compared to the estimated $21.4 billion. Now Tesla owns 9,720 Bitcoins worth approximately $645 million. So Bitcoin continues to trading above the 66K. At the moment of writing this article, Bitcoin continues trading at 66K and the digital asset is up by the 0.6%. Next up is the US that seeks 36 months jail sentence for Binance founder. US prosecutors are seeking 36 months of imprisonment for Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, citing the magnitude of Zhao's willful violation of the US law and its consequences. Binance founder and former CEO Changpeng Zhao might be facing 36 months in prison after pleading guilty to violating laws against the money laundering, as US prosecutors said in a recent court filing that such a sentence would provide adequate deterrence to Zhao and to others who may also be tempted to put profits above the compliance with the US laws. Next news, as Australia joins a 1,000 plus Bitcoin ATM club alongside US and Canada. Australia, the third largest hub for Bitcoin and crypto ATMs, recorded a new milestone with 1,000 active cryptified machines now in operation. As of April 24th, Australia hosts an active network of 1,002 Bitcoin ATMs, making it the third country of the United States after the United States in Canada to achieve this feat, as the nation represented a 2.7% of the global Bitcoin ATM network. As the most, 82% in United States. We could see the 91% in North America, and Canada was at 7.8%. Next up, and the last one, is basically that you already could have seen. The Header hash graph H-bar skyrockets 60% amidst the blocker confusion as Bitcoin aims at the 67,000. So most of you already know though what the news that happened. Just a reminder if some of you didn't know what happened right there. So that's kind of all the information we got on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.